10 foods that make you look 10 years younger plus 5 bonus foods. The times are changing, and everybody realizes that good health and high vitality are the new luxuries. Many of us try different diets and exercises to get in shape and be proud of their body. Eating healthy helps in ensuring well-being and prevents various illnesses. It also helps in slowing down the aging process. Everyone needs to look younger than they are and live as long as they can. Genetic inheritance plays a vital role in the same, but also the diet helps increase the lifespan. 10 anti-aging foods can make the skin look glowing. Consuming these foods helps the body in various ways, such as keeping the immune strong alongside keeping an individual younger. Stay till the end to see the full list and take the maximum benefits from it. Subscribe to our channel, so you do not miss any exciting new videos. Press the bell button and always stay well informed. 1. Berries. Blackberries and blueberries, grapes, and strawberries are useful antioxidants which prevent or delay some types of cell damage and reduce joint pain and swelling. They also improve cognitive abilities and prevent urinary diseases, dementia, and Alzheimer's. We recommend eating them in the morning to take the maximum benefits from them for your body. 2. Carrots. They contain beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A to help parts of the eye function well. It also prevents premature wrinkling of the skin. However, they should not be overcooked because their cooking reduces nutrients. Everyone knows that high blood cholesterol is a factor in heart disease. But not everybody knows that carrots can help to reduce the level of cholesterol. More of the health benefits from eating carrots are reducing the risk of cancer, helping you in the process of losing weight, caring for your eye health. Our grand idea for the smoothie: follow the guidelines. Take 2 small or medium carrots, peeled and chopped into pieces. 2 to 3 tablespoons canned chickpeas, drained. Half tablespoon flax seeds, half teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon honey. Add 50 to 60 milliliters water or any plant-based milk. Mix everything in a blender until smooth. Enjoy. 3. Citrus fruits. They provide folic acid and vitamin C, which decrease uric acid and cholesterol in the blood. Regular uses can also prevent heart conditions and circulatory problems. Drinking lemon juice on an empty stomach detoxifies the body, promoting a healthy feeling. 4. Tomatoes. They contain vitamin A, vitamin C, and folic acid, which are suitable for health. It also has lycopene, which protects the skin against UV radiation and prevents degenerative, cardiovascular, and infectious diseases. Applying a tiny piece of tomatoes on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes can have positive effects. Some of them are softness the skin and hydrating the look. 5. Olive oil. This is the primary source of alpha-linolenic acid, keeping the skin hydrated and toned. It also has anti-wrinkle fats, which give the skin some softness. Olive oils are a great product, protecting against heart disease and may prevent strokes. Extra virgin olive oil has an antibacterial effect and can reduce joint pain. It also can be used as an eye cream. Just apply 1 to 2 drops on the zone under the eyes and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. The effect is fantastic: soft and moisturized skin. Extra virgin olive oil is excellent for a homemade hair mask. Just 1 tablespoon can make the hair smooth and shiny. 6. Avocado. Avocado makes one gain weight because of its high content, but the fat is healthy. Avocados reduce cholesterol levels and support skin regeneration. It also provides the body with potassium, vitamin C, antioxidants, and folic acid. Avocados are used to make salads and smoothies. A great recipe with avocado is not only guacamole but also avocado smoothie. Mix in a blender 1 avocado, oats milk, and 1 spoon of honey or agave. If you like it cold, add 2 ice cubes and enjoy. 7. Oily fish. The fish contains omega-3 fatty acids, which help in keeping cholesterol low. Also suitable for the skin because they reverse and prevent oxidative damages that come with age. Fish is essential for brain and eye development because it is high in omega-3 fatty acids. And something interesting, the oily fish may help to prevent and treat depression. Fish such as wild salmon, anchovies, and turbot are healthy and positively affect our skin. Eating 3 to 4 times fish per week is excellent for your healthy plate and lifestyle. One of the best and easy recipes is oven-baked wild Alaskan salmon. In a baking tray, put a slice of baking paper and the salmon. Sprinkle with some spices like dill and lemon. Add 2 to 3 drops of olive oil and some Himalayan salt. Then bake until cooked. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is an anti-cancer and contains digestive and anti-inflammatory properties. It is also suitable for slowing down the aging process and as well gives one energy. One of the best detox recipes is with turmeric. 5 simple ingredients perfectly combined make a fantastic detox drink. Products: 2 lemons, medium ginger root about 4 to 5 centimeters, turmeric powder or freshly grated root, 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, and water. How to prepare. First, boil 2 to 3 cups of water in a kettle or a pot. Second, peel and slice the lemons and ginger. Third, when the water is boiling, turn the heat off and add the ginger, lemons, and turmeric. After, leave for 30 minutes and strain. Then, add 1 teaspoon of honey and enjoy your detox drink. 9. Dark chocolate. The chocolate has antioxidants like flavonoids, which protect the skin from damage, more so from UV. It also improves hydration and fights free radicals. Not every chocolate is a good one. The right choice is chocolate with 75% cocoa or more. Milk chocolates should be avoided and not used in a healthy diet. 10. Potatoes. They contain anti-wrinkle fats, which prevents aging. It also is used in lighting the skin tone. In its skin benefits, it can be used as a mask. 5 bonus foods will boost your immune system and will help you to look younger. Now check your bonus of 5 products which will help you to look younger. Bonus 1. Cucumbers. They are used to treat acne. It also supports the vitality of the skin. It can be consumed as a salad or put on the face and left for 15 minutes to obtain its benefits. This face mask can be used a few times per week. Bonus 2. Lemons. They help in making the skin tone smooth and promote a brighter skin tone. Lemon juice can also be used as a toning lotion. Lemons are the perfect addition to fish, shrimp, Mediterranean cuisine, chicken, basil, garlic, honey, blueberries, blackberries, and avocado. Bonus tree. Garlic. Garlic has bacterial spiral properties that make it an anti-aging, improve blood circulation, balance cholesterol, and reduce the risk of certain cancer types alongside being a natural antibiotic. Garlic is rich in vitamins like B6 and C, also manganese. It is effortless to add this herb to your diet. It is healthy and delicious to add to soups, sauces, savory dishes, dressings. Bonus 4. Honey. Honey helps in regenerating the cells. Also, its regular use can remove deep wrinkles. It can be consumed or applied to the skin. Honey can be beneficial to burns, wounds, and many other skin problems. Some people are allergic to honey. If you are allergic, then the sweet elixir is not an option for you. If you want to be always in good health, eat 2 teaspoons of Manuka honey every day. For more information, follow the link under the video. Bonus 5. Vitamins E. Vitamin E is helping in improving the skin tone and reduces wrinkles. It also guides in the skin regeneration process. Few drops of vitamin E to your homemade mask will bring significant positive effects and improve skin tone and tighten facial problems. Add our suggestions for top 10 anti-aging foods to your daily meal plan and enjoy your better health and look.